how to turn on or off notification for blocked messages on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn it off or on. First go to Truecaller, and here you will find this icon here, your profile. Now click this settings icon, and then scroll down until you find block. Click on it and then scroll all the way down until you find it. Here is it. You can turn it off or on, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.